We are doing definite integration, and we're using the method of U-Substitution. So we have the integral going from 0 to the square root of 19 of 5x, 3 roots of 8 plus x squared dx. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to rewrite this, get this out of radical form, put it in exponential form, and then we want to identify what our u is. And like I said, usually under radicals or in parentheses, sometimes in denominators, is where we find our u. So we've identified u to be 8 plus x squared, and we take the derivative and we get 2x dx. Now I'm going to be converting my limits, my upper and lower limits. Let me also add to this, and that is I went ahead and brought the 5 out and just kind of got it out of the way. Okay, so we found the upper limit, and we took the square root of 19 and plugged it in here to our u and got that number, which happens to be a nice number, 27, and then took our lower limit, which was 0, and plugged it in, and we end up getting 8. So now we have our new limits, our upper limit and our lower limit. Okay, so back to our substitution. Now you see here I brought the 5 and just kind of got it out of the way. Our du was 2x dx. Well, we have an x and a dx, but we don't have a 2. So we need to put a 2 in here, and if we put a 2 in, we need to put a 1/2 outside. And so that's what I do. I put the 2 in and then the 1/2 outside. And then we do the substitution, so the 8 plus x squared gets substituted with the u, and of course 5 times a half is just 5 halves. And then we go ahead and take the integral, so we add 1 to the exponent, gives us 4/3. We take the exponent, we put it down into the denominator, and of course we're going from 8 to 27. And we take this 4/3 and we flip it, right, to bring it up on top. And 5 times 3 is 15, 2 and 4 is 8, and now we go ahead and plug in our upper limit, which is our 27, minus the lower limit. We do the calculation, and we get 975 over 8.